Okay guys, so welcome to this channel. So in this video I want to share with you a platform that was launched today, 28th of November. So this platform is really great and it has done wonderful today. Just 5 hours of launch and it has gotten about 1,000 users already. So this platform is called Miratel Technology. So you can see right here, Miratel Technology, experience the future of technology. So in this video I'm going to walk you through on how to register, how to perform a task, how to set up your payments, and also how to withdraw from this system. So just watch video to the end so you won't miss any part of this video, guys. So let's jump to this video, guys. But if this is your first time seeing my videos on YouTube, please kindly smash the subscribe button, turn on the post notification so you won't miss any video drop it on this channel, guys. So let's dive into the video. So as you can see, this platform is an affiliate based system. What it actually means is that you need your upliner's link, like someone that's already registered on the platform. You need his or her link to get registered on this platform, and you also need a coupon code, or which is around 3,500 to get started. So let me show you how to do that. So for you to go to the sign up form, what you have to do is to click on the link provided by your upliner or anyone who introduced to the platform. So once you click on the link, it's going to direct you to this sign up form that you are going to see now. So this is the sign up form. Let me show you quick. So this is the sign up form. Once you click on the link, it's going to direct you straight to the sign up form, and the sign up process is very easy and simple. So what you have to do is just to put in your full name, your valid email address, your username, and put in password you can remember, and also put your phone number. Then this coupon code is what I'm talking about. This is the coupon code you are paying for. This is the 3,000 naira. You are going to pay 3,500 naira to get this coupon code. But if you want to get your coupon code, my number will be showing on the screen, so you can chat me up on WhatsApp, or you can just click the link in the description to chat me up as well. So once you have bought the coupon code, you put it right there. Then choose your package, which is miratelreview. You click on it. You click on it. Then you click on agree to terms. Then you click on register. Once you have done that, you are going to go to the sign in form, which you are going to put in your user or your email and your password to get to sign into the system. So this is my login details. So once you have successfully signed into the platform, this is what you are going to see. This total balance, this is not your activities earning. This is just affiliate balance. But for you to see your activities earnings, your welcome bonus as well, so you have to scroll like this. You can see indirect and indirect second generation. Then you can see activities balance, and this activities balance, once you log in, you'll be given 2,000 naira. So once you log in, you'll be given 2,000 naira as your welcome bonus, and also you'll be given 250 every time you log into this platform, every single day. 250, and you'll be given another 350 once you complete your daily task, which I'm going to show you how to do, guys. So most of you don't know how to check for your activities balance and your welcome bonus. This is how to do it, but you have to scroll from this angle to your left side and you see your activities balance right here, guys. So that's how to do that. So let me show you how to perform your task real quick. So what you have to do is to scroll down, then you see this Miratel Technology. So what you have to do is to click on Miratel Technology. Then you have to wait for it to load. So once it's showing my account, it means you are actually logged into your account and you want to perform your task. So what you have to do is to click on this 3 horizontal line right here. Then you click on, you can see this section right here. You can see about us, pages, shop, blog, contact, and join. So what you have to do is to click on your blog. You click on the blog section, then it's going to direct you to your daily task. So let's just wait for it to take us to the daily task. Okay guys, so once you click on the blog, it's going to take you to your sponsored post for today. As you can see, this is the welfare post for today, and it was posted 28th of November, which is today actually. So once you want to perform this task, you have to click on this image right here. You click on the image, then it's going to take you to where you're going to do it. So you can see claim earnings. What you have to do is to click on claim earnings, and it's going to take you to your Facebook account. If you don't have a Facebook account, it's still fine. So once you click on that claim earnings, it's going to direct you from your Facebook account and out of your Facebook account. It's going to direct you to normal Facebook login. Once you have gone to this point, you have already performed your task. So what you have to do is to go back again, and just go back again. Then once you are here, you go back and log in. You click on this thing that look like a human right here, close to the search bar. You click on it, then it's going to take you to your dashboard. So once you're on your dashboard, then you will see that your activities balance has increased. So you will see that you have 2,600. That means I have completed my task for today. So let me show you how to set up your payment form. So you click on this thing right here, this window, this green human, click on profile, then you wait for it to load as well. So you can just scroll down, then you see payment setting. You put your account number, you put in your bank and your bank account name. I would advise you guys to put either OP, just put any bank though, just put any bank, but as far it's very good and they accept it. I think the platform accepts all bank, yeah, all bank I think. So okay, let's see the banks they support. You can see the bank they support right here. So they support Access, Ecobank, FCMB, Fidelity and the rest, and also Paycom is also known as OPay, Kuda, and this is the one I'll be using. I'll be using my OPay to withdraw from the system, because I believe all this online banking is more faster for online withdrawals, because I've experienced it so far. Even when I'm still using Goldmore, I withdraw from Goldmore with my OPay and it was fast. So let's just, after you have select your bank, you put in your account name, they click on submit. And one thing about this platform is that you can also put Google authenticator, two-factor authenticator, to secure your account properly. But if you don't want to do it, you can also leave it. But if you want to do it, you download your Google authentication from your Play Store, then you do it, then right there you click on submit as well. So once you want to withdraw, it's very easy. So let me show you one cool thing about this platform. As you can see right here, you can see my total balance. This is my affiliate balance. Do you know that I can transfer this balance to another user? Just take a look. You click on this sender icon right here, you click on it, then you put in the user then you want to send your affiliate balance to, then you put in the amount, then you click on confirm. Then you are going to send some of your balance to any user you want to send your earnings to. So that's just the more funny part of it. It's very easy and legit, guys. So let me quickly show you how to withdraw from the system. So once you have done that, you click on this blue dot right here to withdraw. So you see to place withdrawal request. So what you have to do right here is to click on select from your choose your withdrawal. Either you choose from your affiliate or your task. So you can choose from anyone that you are withdrawing for. You put in the amount, then you click on submit request. So once you have done that, you receive it in your account. So let me show you one. You can just go through, guys, and they have a lot of things on this platform. You can see you can also get courses and skills with your activities in it, guys, and these courses are really important. Like they are really beneficial. Like they are something you really want to go for if you decide to go for it. You can see they have the skill of software and application development. You can see different courses they have, and these courses normally you get them for like 50,000, 200,000 just to get these courses. But right here you can get them with just 15,000 Miratel network point. So you can see data analysis right here. I know I did data analysis. I bought my course, then I just did it. Then I can still get it here with just 12,000 of my activities any. So you can see email marketing. You can still get it from this platform. Social media influencing, you can get it right here, guys. You can just choose the skill you want. Just it, because this platform is really fun. Like you benefit from everything. That's just it. You can see the lucky way, prediction, market, and contest updates. You can just go through them and see more for yourself. But if you have any question, you can drop it in the comment section, or you can just chat me up on my WhatsApp. I'll be there 247 to give you the right response, guys. So once you have done that, then you are ready to go, guys. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Please, if this is your first time seeing my videos on YouTube, please kindly subscribe to my channel, turn on the post notification, and also give this video a thumbs up so that you won't miss any video when we drop it on this channel, guys. So thank you, and I still remain your successful partner. Thank you and stay safe.